I'll be working on a Sony A7 Mark III, and the problem with it is the cracked viewfinder assembly. Also with this, when we switch it on, if we cover that so no light comes in, cover the sensor over the top, the viewfinder should activate, which it's not. It's just staying in LCD screen mode. There's a problem with the sensor. It's not telling it that if you got your eye over the viewfinder, and it should activate and switch over to the viewfinder assembly from the LCD screen. So we've ordered the sensor and the cracked viewfinder assembly. So we'll swap those two particular parts, and hopefully everything's good to go. You see in there, it's pretty badly damaged. Also that metal plate, the back there, it's been pushed in. And the sensor looks like it's been ripped off. There it is. That's the sensor there. It's been completely ripped off. That's supposed to be sitting in there. So that's supposed to be sitting in there, sitting across the top there like that, and tells the viewfinder to switch from the LCD screen to the viewfinder when there's when it's covered, but there's no light coming through. It's a light sensor. So that's all been bent and mangled from the hit, from the impact damage. So we need to fit this across there and pop it back into there. We also got to mount the rear LCD screen onto there. Okay, we got it out. So we got to basically swap everything over to that one. So put the new one in there, the old one out. The new sensor in there as well. Swap that around. All right, we'll do a final check with the viewfinder that's been replaced. Cover that, and we can see the writing in there. Release that. There we go. Works perfect.